Beta distribution. It is a family of continuous distribution defined on interval 0, 1, which is parameterized by two positive shape parameters, denoted as alpha and beta. It has been used to model the behavior of random variables which are limited to a finite interval. The probability density function is equal to the mean is equal to the variance is equal to applications. Soil properties. Say we have an empty lot where a structure is planned to be built. Of course, before proceeding to the building process itself, the engineers will first conduct a survey on this lot. One of the properties to be observed in this survey is the soil strength. To analyze this property, the beta distribution is to be used. The beta distribution approximates the soil strength distribution, which is an important factor in building an infrastructure. This helps engineers in assessing the site of construction. If the strength distribution in the soil is not desirable, then there is a high chance that the building that is to be established would collapse. In this case, it will be better to move to a different site or apply mitigating measures. Project management. After surveying the lot, engineers must also consider the time it will take to finish the construction. The time duration of construction is important for construction firms since it is one of the crucial factors considered by the client in hiring them. One of the reasons is the cost of construction is dependent on the time it takes to build the structure. The beta distribution aids in the estimation of the time of construction. This helps him in appropriating the labor cost, which is an interest to the company or owner he is working with. The longer the construction time, the more costly the labor will be, which is not in the best interest of the clients. Also, this gives the client an idea of how long it will take for the construction to finish before it could be used for business or for personal use. Safety analysis. Constructing a building must be safe for the people who will be utilizing it. Of course, no one would want to enter a building that does not meet the requirements established by the National Building Code of the Philippines, right? The beta distribution approximates most of the geotechnical parameters, such as factor of safety, strength of material, and intensity of loads. This helps the engineers in the assessment of buildings and apply the appropriate measurements to ensure that the requirements are met. This also aids in choosing the adequate materials in the construction of infrastructures. For example, considering an earthquake, the beta distribution helps in determining the ideal type and capacity of the material to be used to prevent the building from collapsing.